We're at Silver Falls. There it is. Look at it, it's silver. Is that what they called it? It's white. Whitish silver. It's really misty. So, yeah, we're just taking some look at some nature. It's really loud though, so I'm gonna end it right there. We're under a bridge. So that's cool. See that? Upper North Falls. That's where we're headed. Down that way.
I got some decent pics that time.
Nice.
I like all the crap off like.
Well, it's just a drain pipe.
It's cool though, I guess.
He guesses that it's cool. Well, do you want any final words to get put out there before we conclude this trip?
I'd just like to say thanks for watching. If you liked, make sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Why not? And if you are subscribed and haven't hit that bell notification, make sure to smash the bell notification. Just obliterate it with your thumb or finger, whatever you want. Your elbow, your nose. Anyways, yeah, that's just cut it there. That's the end.
In all actuality, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.
That was good. That was a good episode.
Okay, it was good.